Hello and greetings from BluTrack. It is September, which means that the teachers are back in the classroom, including my wife of 26 years. And so for those of you who choose to teach, do appreciate it, because I understand that sometimes it is far from an easy occupation. So I'm kind of reaching out to the STEM, in particular engineering and physics teachers, and seeing if there's any interest in kind of formalizing something we've done with some schools, some businesses, a museum or two. In this we actually call it a coaster challenge design duel. And so the whole idea here is we take a standard junkyard challenge kit and then we create a second kit that is all supporting structure items. So it could be tape, string, rulers, a board, whatever. And we give each participant that set of tools, and then we separate the groups and say, okay, you've got some time period to see who can build the best design. And we set them off. So again, we've had really good response with this. I think mostly because it creates a competitive environment, which is kind of real world. And I think all of us understand that anytime they do that, the participants become instantly vested. And anybody who's vested in the outcome have a tendency to follow the process through a little bit more. So here's the thing, you don't need us at all to do this. You could, if you wanted to do your own design duel, go, partner up, get a colleague and say, here, we're gonna go to a hardware store and buy 2 of everything. Now, we have had a few people request this. We've had a few people suggest that we do like a week-long competition through multiple schools. And to do that, we would have to kind of create a separate SKU, where it would have these items, they'd all be the same. And before we do that, I really would like to just get some feedback from the teachers to find out if this is something they would kind of support or not support. So again, appreciate it. Thank you.